Okay, so we have some cardboard here. Lots of tape. Some pool noodles. And then he ends up adding in some paint. Oh, so he's definitely making a table. Wow. Oh, I love how creative this is. That came out amazing. Very cute. So we have a vase here for the next DIY. Oh, they grabbed a couple of vases. A wooden table tray or cutting board. So it looks like she's just gonna glue those to the bottom. Oh, she did two different directions here. Oh, that's cute. And you didn't have to worry about like spray painting or anything. Like the project is just done and it's like a nice little riser. Very nice. So it looks like this project is going to be like of a similar version. Same concept pretty much, and you don't have to worry about spray painting because the colors already look good. I will say too, they have some really unique vases shaped at action here that we're seeing. Oh, that is so cool. And both of those projects are definitely like easy, beginner friendly. Like you cannot mess this up. You're pretty much just gluing the two pieces together. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. DIY wall art. Ooh, gold and black. I love it. So I was actually thinking that they used pool noodles for this, but it looks like they used some old paper towel rolls. You could probably do pool noodles though, I feel like, if you wanted to. I love like how high-end this project came out as well. So they used some type of like bubble wrap around the paper towel roll to give it that like nice texture effect. That was really smart. Very cool idea. So we have some clay here. I like her nails. So she's cutting the pieces up. don't know what she's making, but it's kind of making me hungry. Like it looks like dough. Oh, it's a candle holder. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so for the next one, we have some placemats. Gluing them together. Oh, she's making some type of lighting here. Oh, that's a cute little idea. I feel like the bulb, though, is a little too big for the placemat size that she used. So maybe she should have went a little bit larger. But here we have another vase hack. Now, this time she decided to paint it gold. I believe this is a different creator. Oh, I love this. Oh, this looks amazing. This looks so high-end and beautiful with the mirror on the top. Oh, such a cute idea. So we have some type of laundry basket here and a sheet. Oh, is she just gonna keep that as like a hamper? Oh, it's for the cat. I don't know. That was cute though. Very decorative. So here we have a vase. Also, I will say the majority of the projects shown in today's video are definitely beginner friendly. Okay, so the vase has been spray painted. Oh, she's doing that effect. I forget what this is called. But it creates like a beautiful marbleized effect. Oh, wow. So beautiful. And yeah, I would still say very beginner friendly. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.